Okay guys, so in today's video, we are looking at adding fractions specifically with the same denominator, i.e. the same bottom numbers on the parts of my fractions, okay? And in the next video, we will look at what happens when the denominators are different, but today's video is a nice short video looking at how we add fractions with the same denominator, okay? Now, feel free, guys, to pause the video, try and attempt these 6 questions, and then come back and press play and check your answers with me, okay, for adding fractions with the same denominators. So this is question number 1. I've got 1/3 plus 1/3. Now, when I add fractions with the same bottom numbers, i.e. the same denominators, I just add the numerators together, so I just add the top numbers. So I have 1/3 plus 1/3, which is equal to 2/3, okay? So I've got 1/3 plus 1/3, so I'm going to get 2/3. Okay, that should be a 3 there. And that line shouldn't extend that long, sorry. And that looks like a 5 again. Okay. The next one, guys, 1/4 plus 2/4. Well, again, I do 1 plus 2, which is 3, and then I keep the denominator the same. Question number 3, 1/5 plus 3/5. Well, 1 plus 3 is 4, so I have 4/5, guys. Question number 4, I've got 1/6 plus 3/6. Well, 1 plus 3 is 4. I get 4/6. Now, this one can be simplified. Okay, what I mean by that is I can write it in like a simpler form. So divide top and bottom by 2 because they're both even numbers. Okay. It's looking at what the highest common factor between 4 and 6 is. That's going to be 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2, and 6 divided by 2 is 3. So divided top and bottom by 2, guys. Okay, the next one, 1/6 plus 7/6. Let's just put it over here. Okay, that's going to be equal to 1 plus 6, which is 7. So the answer is 7/7, which actually simplifies to 1. Because remember that line means division. 7 divided by 7 just equals 1, okay? If you have a numerator where it's the same or equal to the denominator, then the answer you'll get is always equal to 1. Okay, last question, guys, for today's video. 10/8 plus 2/8 plus 5/8. Feel free to obviously pause it, have a go, and then press play. Okay, so working this out, 10 plus 2 is 12, plus 7 plus 5 is 17, so I get 17/8. How many 8s go into 17? Well, that's going to be 2, remainder 1. Okay, this is what I call a top-heavy fraction or an improper fraction, where the numerator is greater than the denominator. So numerator being the top part of my fraction, top number, and the denominator being the bottom part of my fraction, and I've changed it into what I call a mixed number, okay, where it's a whole number and a fraction. Okay, and that's how we add fractions with the same denominators, guys. So hopefully it made sense. Okay, apologies for any like jerkiness in the video. Hopefully you can forgive me for that. Okay, if you found this useful, please like, please comment, please share, and please subscribe, and please follow me, okay, on my socials. Okay, and I will see you all inside the next video. Okay, bye bye for now.